Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing the week of Halloween setup in my social media planner, which is in this A5 ring binder from Agenda 52. This is the washi tape that I pulled. This washi tape was a struggle, let me tell you, but we'll talk about it in the later in the video. And I have these two sticker books from the Happy Planner. This one is Teacher from 2018, and this one is a memory keeping book. This one is from 2017. So let's get into it. I had everything laid out when I left, and Luna must have gotten on my desk and she knocked over my planner. My planner was closed like this. When I came back, it was laying on the floor like this with the pages curled. Imagine. All the washi tape was all over the floor, and this roll right here I could not find. It took me 30 minutes to find this. It was actually on the back corner of my desk, and I didn't think to look on the desk. It was like behind my pencil container and my paper trimmer. Anywho, so my pages for November are all bent up thanks to Miss Luna. These are some other spreads that I did. I keep it very simple in here because it's for work. I actually used an orange pen on this week, and I am just now getting to the week of Halloween. I'm using printable inserts that are available to patron elites over on my Patreon. And I've already slit the holes to make it easy to get in and out. I've been kind of just stuffing things in here that I need. I haven't really done anything this week as far as my work planner, so I am very much behind, but I've been in a slump most of the week. I've only started coming out of it yesterday and today. Today is actually Friday. I'm going to try and get this video up even though it's after the time that I normally would post a video. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. We shall see. If you don't see it Friday, then I don't know what I'm going to do because I have a schedule and I'm trying to stick to it. So this is some Halloween washi that I don't remember where I got it from, but I wanted to use it because I haven't really used it this season. So I'm going to place it on the top here. And I used the kit previously, and I noticed that a lot of people aren't really interested in seeing me just put down stickers from a kit. And I can see where that would be less than thrilling, but sometimes I really enjoy using a kit. Like I played around with the idea. I have a kit that is Addams Family themed that I really wanted to use this Halloween, but I think I'm gonna have to save it for another time. I mean, it is the Addams Family, they can be used anytime, but I just didn't feel like working with a kit again because I really could have used a kit on this, but I don't know. I go back and forth with the kit idea. I love them in theory, but then when it comes time to use them, not so much. So let's see if I can get this down straight. That Luna, I guess she's gonna give me a fit. I can already tell. So I know I can't leave my stuff on my desk. She doesn't do it when I'm here, which is strange. I mean, she really had a disaster over here. And I've just had a very rough day. Like my youngest son, I don't do well when my schedule is interrupted, and I've had quite a few interruptions today. So I'm a little irritated and a little off. I feel off. I basically didn't do anything throughout the week. So I don't know what was going on with me. But let's see. Don't want to use those. Saving that. I want to use this. I think I can use this here. Should I put it in the middle? Kind of needed something behind that to help it stand out since it's white on white. And this one is the memory keeping seasonal type book. And this is the page that I want to use, even though I should not be using the kitty because I'm a little annoyed with the kitty right now. But so I think I'm going to put it right here. Try not to block my holes, and also try not to block the little check boxes there. I'm going to use this Happy Halloween. Come up a little bit in case I want to put some washi at the bottom. And I'm going to put this eek on Friday because it's been a eek kind of day. I'm going to have to put some orange at the top because it's a lot of orange. I think I got a couple of orange boxes I can use. Let's use this one. I think that's it for the boxes. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this spooky. And then use some of these stars. And I think I'm just going to leave these two books out because I really want to use these stickers in these for the holiday season. So I'll keep those close at hand. And let's see what we can do about this orange situation. I really don't think this one goes. It looks a little too brownish instead of black and orange. This is not orange, but it is, what do you call it, perforated washi. So I'm going to use a few strips of this just to divide up some of the space. Now for the orange, I guess I'm gonna go with this metallic orange. It's what I started out the season with in another planner, so I'll finish the season with it in this planner. This is from Simply Gilded. Let's do the hand thing. Use the wide one at the top. So this is going to be a little gaudy, but it's okay. It's for the holiday. So it looks like our cat is floating. So I think I'm gonna put a little something under him to ground him or her. So she's not just sitting out there floating in the air. And I might remove this one. So I was kind of saving some of my deco for other planners, but I think I can spare a little bit in here. These are from the seasonal pages. Let's see, turn it like that. Do we need any greenery to go on those? Let's pop this back in, see what we've got. Okay, that's it. That is the spread in my social media planner. I use just some random Halloween washi tape that I have. The perforated washi, the bow washi, is from Simply Gilded. These stickers are from the Happy Planner. And I use some basic boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The pumpkins and greenery are from the seasonal pages. I'll leave a code in the description box below for the seasonal pages. And that is it for this spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.